Once you memorize the derivative of the sine function is the cosine function, and the derivative of the cosine function is negative of sine function, you can use the quotient rule to derive that the derivative of tangent of x equal secant square of x, and the derivative of the cotangent of x is negative cosecant square of x. You can continue to derive that secant of x, take the derivative, is secant x times tangent x, and the derivative of cosecant of x is negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. So one rule that you can observe is that whenever you're dealing with a cofunction, you get a negative sign. Okay, so that's one way to try to memorize it correctly. And we can take a look at an application. So let's say you have a function f of x equal cotangent of x, and we want to find the tangent line at x equal pi over 4. So in order to find a tangent line, we need the point and we need the slope. So the point is x comma y, right? So x is pi over 4. What is cotangent of pi over 4? If you don't remember, then please use a calculator. It's 1. Now we need to find the slope. The slope of the tangent line is a derivative. So f prime of the point pi over 4. Okay, that will give you the slope. So we first need to find out what is f prime of x. Okay, what is the derivative of cotangent of x is negative cosecant, because it's a cofunction, square of x. Then you use a calculator to evaluate what is f prime of pi over 4. So the slope is negative cosecant square of pi over 4. And that gives you negative 2 using your calculator. Then we use a point slope formula to find a line. So y minus y1, which is 1, equals slope negative 2 times x minus x1 pi over 4. You will be done at this point. You can also put it into the slope intercept form, but it's not necessary. This is good enough.